friends, this is Chinmay Das from Eternal Elixir, and in this episode we are going to try crab cake. So we'll try a very tender, juicy crab cake. Like usually sometimes when you prepare crab cake, you find it's turned a little bit hard or it's not that moist or juicy. So we'll check how we can prepare a very juicy, simple crab cake. So let's check the ingredients. Let's try the recipe. We have all ingredients ready here. Actually, these are very few ingredients, but it will be really tasty. So to my mixing bowl, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, which is at room temperature, half cup or 65 grams of mayonnaise, half teaspoon of rosemary, few mint leaves, just break it to smaller pieces, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon mustard powder or Dijon mustard. So these are the basic ingredients which we need. You can add different spices and overpower it, but I wanted to keep it simple. And once you mix them real good, the cream cheese, mayonnaise, rosemary, soy sauce all blend in together. And then finally I add 1 pound or 450 grams of crab meat, 3/4 cup or 100 grams of panko breadcrumbs. Slowly fold them in using a silicone spatula, and then I'm using a transparent plastic wrap here. So I cover it with transparent plastic wrap and refrigerate for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, the crab meat will absorb the flavor from all the ingredients what we put. Now after 30 minutes, my pan is ready here. To this, I'm using a mini cup or mousse mold to place the crab on the pan. It's not necessary to use a mold, like you can, in between your pan, you can press the crab meat and place it on the pan. Whatever way you use, like prepare the crab cake and then cook it for 2 minutes on one side at medium. I'm using an oven safe pan here because I'm going to place it in the oven. So I cook it 2 minutes at medium flame on one side and then carefully flip it after 2 minutes, because these are really soft, really juicy. So you have to take extra care for that. Using the spatula, I flip it, cook it for additional 1 minute. In the meantime, I set my oven to 550 degrees Fahrenheit or 280 degrees Celsius and then place it in the oven, cook it for 3 minutes there. After 3 minutes, crab cakes are done. So plate it and then serve it with mayonnaise or soy sauce or any kind of sauce you like, and enjoy.
Hey guys, it's Nishka Das and I'm going to be trying this delicious crab cakes. So my dad decorated it with these green and red bell peppers, and we also have some mayonnaise, soy sauce, and hot and sweet ketchup. So let's try it. The crab cakes are actually really big. And now this is the inside. And now I'm going to dip it into the soy sauce. It tastes really crispy and juicy, and the soy sauce, it's a little salty, and I really like salty, so it tastes really good too. Now I'm going to try it with these homemade mayonnaise. It actually really tastes good with the mayonnaise too, because as I said, it's really crispy and juicy. But when you eat it with the mayonnaise, it's really creamy too, because the mayonnaise is really creamy. So last but not least, I'm gonna taste it with this hot and sweet sauce. And when you eat it with the hot and sweet sauce, as I said, obviously it's really spicy, not that spicy, but okay spicy, and it's sweet. So out of these 3, I don't know which one tastes the best because they all taste really good. This one's a little salty, creamy, and this one's hot and sweet. So I would say maybe I like all of them. I can't choose at all. So yeah. Please do try this recipe and subscribe, share, and like. And don't forget to smash that bell icon. Goodbye.